Okay, guys. So this here is a continuation of integration. So the last time we did integration by inspection, so now we're doing integration by algebraic substitution. Which basically means that you have to write an equation in terms of u. You try and eliminate anything that has x, and then you replace it with u. So let's look at this example just to see if we understand. Find the integral of dx over the square root of 1 minus 5x. So this can be written as, remember, if it is there's a root, that means that that function or that term is raised to the power 1 over 2. So this can be taken to the numerator. So it can be written as into 1 minus 5x power minus 1 over 2 dx. Right. Then from here, and with algebraic substitution, you need to be able to see which term to make u. So in this case, we say let our u be equals to 1 minus 5x. Remember, we're trying to eliminate everything that has x. So that is this term here and also dx. So du will be equals to negative 5 times dx, because derivative of a constant is 0 and derivative of this is 5, and then times is dx. Then now dx will be equals to what? We divide by 5 both sides. So this will be du over minus 5. So that is our dx. So now when there is anything with x, we substitute with, we replace with u, just so that our function is in the term in terms of u. So integral of, remember, 1 minus 5x is now equals to u to the power 1 over 2 negative 1 over 2 times dx is now equals to du over minus 5. So this can be written as negative 1 over 5 integral of u to the power minus 1 over 2 du. Then we integrate using the standard rules of integration. So this would be u to the power minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over negative 1 over 2 plus 1, close bracket, plus c. So this is negative 1 over 5 into u to the power 1 over 2 over 1 over 2, close bracket, plus c. So this can also be written as equals to negative 2 over 5, and then root u, because if it's to the power half, it's the same as square root, then plus c. Remember, u initially is equals to 1 minus 5x. So now in the place of u, we substitute 1 minus 5x plus c as the answer. So I hope this is clear. The first step is to actually you simplify, and then you write the equation in terms of u. You eliminate anything that has x and replace it with u. And then from there, you apply the standard rules of integration. Fine. Now let's look at the second example. So it says find the integral of sine root x over the square root of x dx. Right. So this can also be written as sine root x times 1 over root x dx. Right. So in this case, our u, we let u equals to the square root of x, which is equivalent to x to the power 1 over 2. Right. Now let's see. Du will be equals to 1 over 2 x to the power minus 1 over 2 dx. Right. Now remember, we're trying to eliminate anything that is x. We eliminate this part and this, the whole of this 1 over root x dx. We need to eliminate it as well. So now let's see. This here can be written as du equals to 1 over 2 times 1 over square root x dx. Because remember, a negative power can be written as a positive when you say 1 over. Then remember, 1 over 2 is the same as the square roots. So you see. Now we're going to make this 1 over 2 roots x the subject. So that means that we have 2 du is equals to 1 over the square root of x times dx. Right. So now we go back to the equation. So where there is x, we eliminate and substitute with u. So it's going to be the integral of sine. Remember, we said root x is now equivalent to u times 1 over root x dx is now equivalent to 2 du. So it's going to be times 2 du. Right. So this can as well be written as 2 integral of sine u du. Then we integrate using the standard rules of integration. So it is 2. What is the integral of sine? Integral of sine is negative cos u times, plus c. Right. Then this can be written as minus 2 cos. Remember, u is equals to the square root of x plus c as the answer. Right. I hope this is clear and that you guys understand. Right. Now, the last example on algebraic substitution. Example number 3, which may look complicated, but it is simple. As long as you understand how to actually do your calculations and which term to make u. Right. Right, so we're given integral to integrate the integral to find the integral of x squared root x minus 4 dx. Right. So in this case, let's see. We can always first simplify this part here. Or we can just go straight to saying let u be equals to x minus 4. Right, okay, let's rewrite this term. So this will be integral of x squared into x minus 4 to the power 1 over 2 dx. Right, then let u be equals to x minus 4. Right, then we need to find du. So du will be equals to 1 times dx. Right, then dx will be equals to, can divide by 1 both sides, so dx is equals to du. Right, now if u is equals to x minus 4, then x will be equals to u plus 4. Right, it's just a matter of making x the subject of the formula from this, just so we eliminate. Remember, the aim is to eliminate anything that is x and replace it with u. So x can also be equals to u plus 4. Let's go back now to the equation. Okay, let me just skip the lines just so I'm not short of space. Now let's see. This can be written now in terms of u, because we know that x is now equals to u plus 4. So in a place of x squared, we'll have u plus 4 all squared. And then now in a place of x minus 4, we'll have u to the power 1 over 2. And then in a place of dx, we have du. Right. And then from here, we simplify again. Right. So we can expand this bracket here. Okay, we can just do it here at this on the side. So it's u plus 4, u plus 4. So this time this is u squared plus 4u plus 4u plus 16. So this is u squared plus 8u plus 16. Right, then we substitute here. So we have u squared plus 8u plus 16 times u to the power half du. Then we multiply in. So u times u to the power half, it's take the base and add exponent. So 2 plus half, it should be 5 over 2. So we have integral of u to the power 5 over 2 plus 8u to the power, it should be 3 over 2 plus 16u to the power 1 over 2 du. Then we just apply the standard rules of integration. So this should be u to the power 5 over 2 plus 1 over 5 over 2 plus 1 plus 8u to the power 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1 plus 16 u to the power 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c. Then this is the same as 2 over 7 u to the power 7 over 2 plus this would be 16 over 5 u to the power 5 over 2 plus this one would be 32 over 3 u to the power 3 over 2 plus c. But remember that u is equals to what? U is equals to x minus 4. So now in the place of u, we're going to have 2 over 7 into x minus 4 to the power 7 over 2 plus 16 over 5 into x minus 4 to the power 5 over 2 plus 32 over 3 into x minus 4 to the power 3 over 2 plus c. So if they say write your answer in a set form, I'm just going to try and squeeze it here. So it's going to be 2 over 7 square root of x minus 4 to the power of 7 plus 16 over 5 square root of x minus 4 all to the power of 5 plus 32 over 3 square root of x minus 4 to the power of 3 plus c as the answer. Right. So I hope this is clear and that you guys understand. You look at the equation, check which term to use to make u, and then you simplify, and then you eliminate whatever that needs to be eliminated, and you replace it with u. I hope you guys understand. Thank you.